been you've spread the scoring around a lot. You had 7 different goal scorers against Denver and things like that. I mean, can that continue? Is that something that you can keep doing here in the last 2 regular season weekends and the playoffs and stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. I think so. The way our lines are set up right now, we have guys on every line that can score goals. So, we just have to make sure we're executing in the games on the weekend, and all 4 lines come to play every night, because you just can't have one line doing it all.
Yeah. Don said that he's playing kind of more closer to maybe 3.5 lines here in these last couple weeks. Do you like doing that? Do you like getting more ice time?
Yeah, absolutely. I think everyone likes getting more ice time, and and sometimes that helps too. If you get a little more ice time, you get a little more confidence. You get into the game a little bit more. Mm-hmm. So I think that helps a lot of players sometimes.
Your power play's been, got 3 goals on Friday, another one I think on Saturdays. What's the difference? It seems to be doing a little better.
I think we changed up a few things. We're trying to get a little bit more movement on our power play. Guys are switching, guys are moving a little bit more rather than standing stationary and passing the puck around and trying to get shots. So we move around a little bit more. We open up more shot lanes, and we get more pucks to the net, and that's what the power play is about. You have to get pucks on net. You have to get shots to get opportunities.
How important is it for you guys to make this push and try and get this looking? I know you guys are doing 1 game at a time, but in terms of trying to make it into the NCAAs, how important is that to you to get there this year with the missing the last couple of years?
That's everything for us right now, and like you said, it is 1 game at a time. You can't look ahead, because anyone can beat anyone right now. We saw Michigan Tech beat Denver last week, and so we just have to make sure we take it 1 step at a time, and hopefully that'll help us get to where we need to be.